Hello mga ka-SCAS, ang ganda at ang saya ng kaarawan ni Mariel Padilla na dinalahan ng kanyang pamilya at malalapit na kaibigan. Mapapawaw ka sa ganda ng setup at mapapawaw ka sa ganda ngayon ni Mariel Padilla. Yung kanyang body figure ay bumalik na sa dati at kung titingnan ay tila dalaga pa ito. Makikita ang mga larawan sa kanyang Instagram account na kanya nang ipinost at ang say ni Mariel sa kanyang caption, "So incredibly blessed to have a husband and sister prepare the most epic 40th celebration for me. I felt nothing but love. It was full experience everything from foods, drinks, atmosphere, mood, styling, and entertainment. It was all there. They sure know how to throw a party. The styling of the place and every single detail of the party was my sister's love letter to me. While all my husband wanted was for me to be celebrated. He wanted to make sure that I was the happiest because for him, I deserve nothing but the best." So, thank you so much at Robin Hood Padilla and kay Mulo Garcia. Pinasalamatan din ni Mariel ang kanyang buong pamilya at mga kaibigan. I also want to thank all my family, friends, and relatives who took time to be there. We are in the age that all we really want is to stay home and rest. But you guys dress up and partied with me. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. From my childhood friends, high school barkada, people I work with, bankers, in-laws, friends I hang out with now up to my co-moms, everyone I connect with, thank you so much. I had so much fun with all of you that my feet are still recovering from all the dancing. Those who couldn't make it had video greetings, sent gifts. They made sure I was remembered on my special day. Thank you. At yun nga, makikita nga sa mga na-post niya sa kanyang IG kung gaano nga kasaya ang lahat na nagpunta sa birthday celebration ni Mariel Padilla. Sa mga ka-SCAS, yan nga po ang ating balitaan. Kung nyo naibigan, put your comment down below. At syempre, huwag kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe.